name is Professor Kathryn McNeilly. I'm Professor of Law at the School of Law, Queen's University Belfast.
And my name is Dr. Tanzil Chowdhury. I'm a Senior Lecturer in Public Law at the School of Law at Queen Mary University of London. In 2022, we were both awarded a seminar grant to run a workshop on new directions in law and time scholarship. The connection between law and time is one that has interested socio-legal scholars in recent decades. Over the past several years, however, scholarship on the topic has grown exponentially, making this a rapidly growing area of research. This increase in scholarship is accompanied by changing contexts for law at national, regional, and international levels, which engage issues of time.
These issues of time include times of transition, urgency, or crisis, stimulated by global events such as Brexit, the COVID-19 pandemic, and climate breakdown. It also includes the changing times of law and legal regulation in the frenetic pace of the digital age and globalization, as well as debates on legal progress and futures in areas such as environmental regulation and governance.
Against this backdrop, the Centre for Law and Society in a Global Context at Queen Mary, with the help of the SLSA Seminar Fund, hosted a one-day hybrid workshop on the 14th of October 2022 to explore new directions in law time scholarship. The event brought together scholars and PhD students from around the world working on law's connection to time to consider the changing landscape of this area and the potential that thinking about law and time holds today.
The event was structured around 4 thematic roundtables. We opened the workshop proceedings exploring the temporal turn in legal studies, followed by a second session on interdisciplinarity and law and time work. The third section focused on law and time methods, and the final session was on law and time across legal studies. Participants were drawn from around the UK and Europe, both in person and online, all familiar with the key themes and literature in this area, which resulted in a rich and nourishing discussion.
The purpose of the workshop was to advance new discussions on law and time scholarship in the contemporary context and bring together disparate scholars for the first time to work towards further or more conscious honing of the field. Following the workshop, a mailing list was compiled to share resources, collaborate on publications and funding bids, and connect on future events in the field. This workshop provided a solid foundation for future collaborative connections and work in this emerging area of thinking for socio-legal scholars.